thank you for visiting Crafted Surprise. Today I'd like to present with you a video on our new loaf cutter, soap loaf cutter that we've come up with, and the reasons how it was designed and the reasons behind it. I've had a lot of questions asked that does it do this, does it do that, and how it actually works. So I thought I'd make a quick video on that. How we've come up with this tool is that we bought lots of products from Asia. As you can see, this is just a sample. This was one that I was using. This was the loaf board that we brought from Asia, and I used it for a while with these tools. I noticed that it was made, this board is actually made to go with the other Asian tools, such as the 1,000-gram mold that us hobbyists have, a lot of us have, and the 1,200 mold that we most likely have as well. And I noticed that when you look at it and you lay it out, it's actually set up for efficiencies, to get the most out of the loaf. You can see that in this instance, it evenly spreads it out, except for the bottom one. You'll get a bigger butt or bigger end, and you can always trim it down with the other hand tools that we've spoken about. So I think this, when they built this board, is more with that in mind, the efficiencies in it. So we thought, okay, well, a lot of us will have these molds and a lot of us could have this one, but there's also people that may not have this. So that's how we came up with the concept, was, okay, let's build something that helps us soapers, hobby soapers, helps us to get it a bit easier, get the job done, and efficiencies, of course. So I'll explain to you how the other one works. So this is it. This is the cutting tool. And the way this works, as you can see, this is the cutter, right? And that's where you have the indication of which way to wind it. They've got to be nice and firm, yes? It's them nice and firm. And what we've done is, for those that haven't got the base, we've replicated it and made a couple of adjustments so that it works best. Also, please note, this is made out of recycled plywood. This frame that I've got on hand is actually the pine frame. We've also got a hardwood frame. The pine frame weighs about 1,100 grams. The other one weighs 1,700 grams. So when we put these loaves that we was talking about before, you'll see they fit nicely. They don't, as I mentioned before, this loaf doesn't take into consideration that you may wish to trim the edges. I don't actually trim the edges or the ends. I keep them for me, and I either give away or sell the centerpieces, which come out quite nicely. So on both molds. So you can see it's not about trimming the edges, it's about the efficiencies. Once again, the efficiencies of pieces per mold. So should you wish to trim the edge, right, you can still do so, but with the old system. Put it there and use the hand tool along there and trim it before you put the loaf back in its side, right along the edge. So this one has been made so that you put the finished soap up to the side of the edge, and I will show you that next. Now I'll show you how this cutter actually works with soap itself. Got a loaf ready. There you go. Put it along the side, straight up there. It's up to you how you wish to place this on the board, depending on whether you like it centered. Put it right across, right up to the edge there, and that's this is a kilo loaf, and right up to the edge. And as I said previously, it doesn't actually cut the edges. Here we go. Let's have a look. Line it up, and then you have a choice of pushing from here or from the handle. So you have an option. Here we go. notice how they're all pretty even? Perfect. That's it. Now it's just a matter of pulling the soaps out when you're ready, and then just cleaning it. Just normal maintenance. Do not put this in water. Everything's been oiled, but it's not made to be submerged in water. It is, as all wooden products, maybe some alcohol, spray it, scrape off the soap, clean off the soap, clean off the areas, but do not submerge in water. Hope this tutorial has helped you understand the tool a lot better, and you can see how easy it is to use, and you find it helpful for your making of your loaves and your favorite soaps. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.